growing concern in environmental degradation led to world's interest in renewable energy. Regen Powertech has been established in 2006. The manpower of the company now stands at over 1700 people. We have the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We manufacture wind turbines of capacity 1.5 megawatt, totaling to 350 machines in a year. Our main focus is innovation, research and development of our products. We have highly experienced R&D engineers and professionals at work.
Regen Powertech from the day of inception has given a lot of emphasis on research and development, which many young companies will think twice before doing that. Why is it so? Number one, to stay ahead. Number two, to innovate. Number three, to bring new products into the market in a continuous fashion. Now, to achieve all these things, Regen Research and Development has taken 5 broad objectives. To improve the performance of the existing wind turbines from Vensus. These turbines are designed for European market. We need to fine-tune them to Indian requirements.
After installing the V77 turbine in India, we observed the performance of the turbine, and it was found that the turbines were not performing, especially power curve, as per the expected level. So to optimize this power curve, we did the modification in the controller. Mainly the active pitch control has been introduced for blade control, and then some of the controller parameter, specifically the optimum mode gain, then torque settings, all this has been modified to the optimum level to achieve the performance. Here we can see the reference power curve in green color for the wind turbine. This is the curve before controller modification, and you can see which is much below the reference power curve. This is the curve after controller modification, and we can see much improvement in the power curve.
Import substitution of electrical, electronics, hydraulic and mechanical components. Import substitution helps us in cost optimization. Also, it makes the company to be self-reliant.
At Regen, we have developed a few test equipment. For example, grid simulator. Grid simulator is utilized to test analog and digital converter control system and all the electronics module at the design stage and the pre-dispatch time at the manufacturing area. This is the block diagram for the grid simulator, which will generate the 2-3 phase voltage pattern as per IEC 115 with short circuit protection and with variable phase shift frequency and time cycle. And this is the one of the output waveform pattern. We have also Indianized other electronics module like high voltage input output modules, generator switch speed measurement system, OS speed measurement system, generator current monitoring system and acceleration sensor.
State-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Whatever technology we have bought, whatever products we develop, we have to have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We have to have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for generator. We have to have the state-of-the-art testing facilities for testing generator, nacelle, hub and frequency converter.
At rotor, the magnet insertion is one of the critical operation. This is the fixture which we developed for insertion of magnets. The magnets, 4576 magnets are get inserted in the rotor, and it is the criticality of north and south pole never get mixed up. That is the speciality of the fixture. This fixture is designed in such that the operator can easily operate and it's a cost effective. This is one of the best fixture which we have developed internally and established locally. This is impregnation woven. This is the tray where resin and that varnish mixture will be there, where the stator will get dipped and it is get heated, and then cooling cycle it goes on. This the entire machine is the advantage of a fully automatic machine. A single person can operate the entire machine. This is no load test rig. This is to check the performance of the generator. The advantage of this machine is it's fully automated. It can operate by a single person. The time reduction, earlier with 2 hours, now it's 15 minutes, we can complete the test. This is ATS, Automatic Test System, which is for nozzle, hub and converter testing. The advantage of this testing equipment is fully automated, and fully automated report will get generated through this system. It has been developed by region engineers and established locally.
Region Research and Development has a separate group for testing prototype wind energy converters. Region is one of the few companies in the world which has a dedicated team to test prototype wind energy converters.
Wind turbine testing, being a functional group of Region's Research and Development Department, is responsible for taking projects related to type testing measurements and performance evaluation measurements. There are 6 different measurements which we have to undergo, starting from power curve measurements, mechanical load measurements, air efficiency measurement, safety and functional testing, power quality and noise measurement. Each one of these measurements is governed by respective IEC standards and GL guidelines. When it comes to type testing or performance evaluation measurement, the measurement group needs to have a good measurement setup. During post-processing, we do several mathematical treatments, starting from the statistical analysis, time series analysis, which involves the power spectral density analysis, fast Fourier transformations, and also we do rainfall accounting for calculating the fatigue loads to determine the lifetime damage of the critical components like tower, shaft and the blades. And also we do power quality analysis, where we find out the flicker coefficients and the harmonic distortion coming from the power delivered by the wind turbine.
Regional Research and Development has groups which are continuously working on new product developments in terms of new turbines, in terms of new turbine sub-assemblies, sub-products, hardware products, software products, hydraulic products. In software project, we have a very important product called SCADA, which is totally region developed supervisory control and data acquisition system.
This is Region Powertech's Research and Development Department. We are majorly working on mechanical area. We have team of professionals who are working on specialized area of mechanical research for new product development. Our primary focus is on 3 megawatt new product development, and the new product development was started way back in the year 2008, which started with the concept sketches. These concept sketches were later on brought into 3D model using a software called Pro Engineer. We are using IEC 61400 edition 3 now for this design of new product 3 megawatt. To design the structural component, we use state-of-art softwares like Bladed for aerodynamic and load calculations, finite element analysis software for stress calculations, and fatigue tool, which is in-house tool for lifetime of the components. The design development process of new product 3 megawatt involved selection of suitable blade for the desired power for 3 megawatt, structural component designed against extreme loads and fatigue loads, generator structure designed for minimal air gap deflections between stator and rotor, selection of subcomponents like yaw drive, pitch drive, sleeve bearings, hydraulics, etc., tubular steel towers, universal floating foundation. All the above calculations have to be submitted to an accredited certifying body to get it approved.
Region, we can create a future that is green, a future that is green, a future that is green.